Started from the bottom. Now we're here. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. I'm so excited to show you guys how I style this unit. So first of all, I want to say yes, I already dyed the knots, and a yes, I already plucked the hairline. So it is time to braid. I already did 1 or 2 rolls, and I wanted to show you guys my process of braiding and what I do to keep the sectioning nice and neat. So that was water in the bottle, and I found out that water really truly helps with keeping the hair in place. You don't need product, just water. Now I'm going to section my hair. Sometimes I have to remember that this is not a real scalp, so the sections are not going to be precise like a human head. This is not a human head, so you only can get it as straight as the unit and the single knots on it. So I'm using my product, and with this product I found out that it is best to use a little water with it because it really has a great hold, but it does kind of leave a residue. So I found that because I'm trying to find products that are best for wigs, but I haven't found that product yet. But this product I really love, so I'm learning how to maneuver and really get it to set well without any cast on it. So I learned that use some water and it works well. So that's the great thing about practicing. The more you practice, the better you'll get, and you'll learn new things, and you'll become a professional. And I'm seeing that every day. But one thing I hate about braiding on camera is that I really can't focus. I braid so much better off camera. So when I'm on camera, I'm trying to make sure that the lighting is right, the camera is focused, and I'm not really focused on the braid. So I only did 1 or 2 braids on camera, but the rest of the braids off camera are great. And I like my style of braiding is because I don't really see a lot of people braiding like me, like my braiding technique. I know you might say a lot of people braid the same way, but I just don't really see people braiding the way that I braid. And you could just tell by the finished look that my braids are kind of different, and I love that for myself. So and I love that my braids, just like a painting, like each painting, like a painter can paint something and it's different every time. And I love that about when I do things. Everything is not going to be the same, and it's unique. So I love that for myself. Anyway, so I'm just showing you my process of braiding, and coming up I'm going to show you how I attach the hair, because these are long braids. And oh, I already showed you. So on to the next one, and I'm just going to let you guys go ahead and watch that. So this is not really a tutorial. This is just me showing you my process of how I braid and just the process of styling a full lace wig and how to braid it. I think it looks so good. I'm sorry, I'm trying to hold my hand and hold the camera steady and it's not really working. But one day I'll come with a full tutorial, a full voiceover, and I'll show you guys everything. And stay tuned because I have some big things coming up. I'm going to just go ahead and continue posting about different things that's happening on my channel and with me and Sydney. And I'm going to be doing these wigs all the time because it's just like the best thing for me, because I really don't have, after COVID I kind of stopped braiding, and after moving I kind of stopped braiding. But braiding wigs for me is like a outlet, and you really don't have to deal with people. You don't have to worry about other people, being around other people and bringing sickness into your household or into your shop or wherever you work from. But and this way you can help a lot of people, people with alopecia, people, cancer patient, people that just don't know how to braid. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that I just added the foam and then the spritz to keep everything in place. And now I'm going to dip the hair and I'm going to start braiding also. And that's another thing about my braids, that I don't braid all the way down to the tip. I don't like that look. It may be good for other people, but I like how the braid fades out into just regular hair, and it looks great like that. So I had to dip this hair twice because I saw that the water wasn't hot enough. So I did dip it again. So now I'm just going to take my razor comb and I'm going to kind of cut the edges. I want to just make them so that it will be easier for the styling process of the edges to be easier. And some people might not have razor combs, so I'm just going to razor it down and to a good length, because I want to make it so that you might want to make it shorter or longer. And then I'm just showing you everything. This is a middle part wig. You can move it to the side or style it different ways, but it's meant to be a middle part because it's the classic middle part. You can't go wrong with a 1B classic part, honey. It kills, okay? So and it's everlasting. So that is about it. I thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, please like, please share, and tag me in the shares. I thank you guys for always supporting me, and make sure you like, because YouTube responds to likes. okay? And then I do comment back to all my subscribers. When you comment, I try to comment back. I like connecting with all my people, and I just want to say thank you for supporting me. And just putting this foam here. I really don't do baby hair. Like, I will try to get it down one day, but if I do it, it will take up so much of my time, but I will dedicate some time. And then I had that wig, those wig pins right where I need to style, so I'll probably style it a little later. But I thank you guys for watching, and I have some big things coming, and I just want you guys to stay tuned with me and Sydney and my channel. So I thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.